Today I am sharing my excellent banana bread. Good news is this recipe is beginner-friendly and easy to make. I am baking the quantity for 8 portions. Start by preheating the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Line your pan with baking sheet, add 170 grams unsalted butter to your mixer, 230 light brown, mix for 15 seconds. If you're curious about the mixer, I've added a link to the device I am using in the description. Add 450 grams of diced bananas into the mixture, approximately 4 bananas. Add 3 eggs and 120 grams of Greek yogurt. Add 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix together for 22 seconds or until creamy depending on your mixing device. Add 380 grams of plain flour and 1½ teaspoon sodium bicarbonate, 1½ teaspoon grounded cinnamon, 1/3 teaspoon nutmeg, and same quantity of salt. Mix together. Transfer the dough into the baking pan. Cut 1 banana in 2 equal parts and press the halves into the batter. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of brown sugar on it. At this point, you can add any nuts of your choice. Then bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, cover with a foil or a lid and bake for additional 1 hour. Leave to cool for 10 minutes before transferring to a rack to cool completely. Serve in slices and keep any leftover in an airtight container and enjoy with your loved ones. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.